Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about a groundbreaking new AI system developed by OpenAI, DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2, which stands for Deep Artificial Intelligence for Language Learning Extended, is an AI system that is capable of generating images from text descriptions. But what makes DALL-E 2 so unique is its ability to use artificial imagination. Unlike traditional image generation systems, which rely on pre-existing images as a starting point, DALL-E 2 is able to generate entirely new and novel images that have never been seen before. So how does DALL-E 2 work? At a high level, the system is trained on a large dataset of text and image pairs. This allows it to learn how to map text descriptions to images. Once trained, DALL-E 2 is able to generate images from text descriptions by using what OpenAI calls artificial imagination. One of the key things that set DALL-E 2 apart from other image generation systems is its ability to generate images from more abstract and creative text descriptions. For example, DALL-E 2 is able to generate images of things like a two-story pink flamingo with a top hat and a monocle, or a penguin riding a unicycle on a tightrope. This ability to generate novel and creative images has many potential applications. For example, DALL-E 2 could be used to generate images for use in advertising or to help designers come up with new ideas. It could also be used in the field of education to help students visualize complex concepts. However, it's important to note that DALL-E 2 is still in the early stages of development, and there are many challenges and limitations to overcome. One of the main challenges is ensuring that the images generated by DALL-E 2 are high quality and accurate representations of the text descriptions. Another challenge is ensuring that the system is able to generate a diverse range of images, rather than just producing variations on a small number of themes. This is particularly important when it comes to applications like advertising, where it is important to be able to generate a wide range of ideas and concepts. Despite these challenges, the potential of DALL-E 2 and other AI systems like it is undeniable. As AI continues to advance, we are likely to see even more impressive and innovative uses of artificial intelligence in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest developments in artificial intelligence.